Hello folks, today I will be fitting new front brake pads to this Suzuki Alto. The wheel nut sizes are 19mm. I forgot to video the part where I took the cap off the brake fluid reservoir to make room for the fluid to rise up when I put the new brake pads in. So you'll have to take my word for that. Now the caliper bolts are 12mm and we only need to take out the bottom one. I'm pushing the caliper piston back in to make room for the new brake pads, and this is what causes the brake fluid to rise up in the reservoir as I push the piston back in. The next step will be to blow out the brake dust. You can see the difference in the remaining material, brake material on the old brake pad compared to the new one. The pad with the clip goes on the inside, and what that clip does is when the brake pads wear down to their lower limit, the clip makes contact with the disc and gives little squealing sounds as a warning that the pads need to be replaced. Copper grease on the metal backing parts of the new pads is an extra precaution against brake squeal and other noises. The only thing worse than noisy brakes are noisy customers coming back complaining about them, so copper grease is the cure for that. Sometimes the new pads need a little tap into place, especially aftermarket ones. The clip on the inner brake pad. This little plate sits into the end of the piston. You will see here as I lower the caliper the way it sits against the flat side on the pin before I put the bolt in. If you need to ask any questions about this job, please come over to our forum at diycarguide.com and post your questions. I'm going to pump the brake pedal a few times to bed the pads in against the disc. After checking the brake fluid level, that's the end of the job. Thanks very much for watching.